Alright, happy Halloween, ladies and gentlemen. What we are going to be doing today is you are going to be figuring out how to add a picture onto your Google document. How to add a picture. So now, first things first, it says, out of all the story problems that you made, we're going to be making story problems today. Write your favorite one in here or on here. Go ahead and add a picture to it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head and add your story problem. My story problem would be Mr. A had 5 pieces of candy for each house he went to. He went to 7 or 6 houses. How many pieces of candy did he get? Now, a couple things about that sentence. Notice, Mr. A, notice that I put 2 numbers, because the story problem has to have 2 numbers. Notice I put in a word to tell us what we're going to be doing, the word each. That means we're going to probably be multiplying or dividing. And finally, I put in this question, how many pieces of candy did he get? So now we see that word each, and we have 5 and 6, and we know we're going to get more than 5 or 6, so I know it's going to be 5 times 6 equals 30. And of course, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go ahead and put in the equation to show that. 5 times 6 equals 30. So now, how do I add a picture? How does it go about adding the picture? Well, adding the picture is actually very simple. What you need to do first is you need to come on up and go to where it says Tools. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Tools. Then I'm going to come down to where it says Research. Click on Research, and then this window pops up. And here we have a whole bunch of different numbers right there, a whole bunch of different pictures. Right up here where it has the G right there, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and put in something that talks about your problem, okay? For me, it talks about candy, so I'm going to go ahead and put in candy. Now, I have a whole bunch of pictures that just showed up right here, okay? Now, I'm going to tell you guys right now, there's always a possibility, because we're searching online, there's always a possibility that you might come up to a picture that makes you uncomfortable, is inappropriate. It's not your fault if this happens. If it does happen, what I want you to do is just click back, get away from the picture, and just click one that is, okay? Again, if it happens, it's not your fault. I like this picture right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click and hold. I'm going to go ahead and drag it. And what that's going to do is that's going to go ahead and create the picture. Now what I can do is I can go ahead and make it bigger, smaller, however I want to. I have to click on those boxes on the side and expand it. So there's my picture that I just did. And ladies and gentlemen, that's all there is to it today. When you're done with it, of course, go ahead and turn it in. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Halloween, and I'll talk to you later.